So we are at this restaurant in Hilton in Mexico, like I was with David, if y'all watched that. This is Marilyn, and Sam is there, but Sam is getting food. You'll see here. Remember Sam from Warsaw? Yep. And that is our first officer, and he will be coming by shortly as well. Look at. I haven't tried it yet.
Going to Mexico. I don't want to go to Mexico. Orlando. I don't want to go.
We are at
We're
the
actually
pyramids.
lined up for what?
Guys, it's Sam.
Oh, hi. Remember me from Warsaw?
Yes, they do. Actually, that vlog got pretty popular.
Hey.
But yeah, so we're at the pyramids in Mexico City. Here they are. Oh my god, we're in line.
I wanted to say that it was his idea getting the Uber.
Oh yeah, we took an Uber here.
Are you videoing?
And he's quite proud about his
It
idea.
was totally my idea.
Yeah. And he also has something to show you guys.
And you can find me at www.itsbetterthanchantal.com.
And he has a cute purse.
And you have a purse. Yeah, so he's all prepared.
Don't be knocking the man back. And
We have finally made. Yes, we made it to the pyramid. Finally.
you don't want to stop people. All right.
I don't know about flip-flops
I don't
though.
think those flip-flops. I'm telling you.
Oh no. Yeah, you too, Sam.
Arriba, arriba.
We made it up one flight of stairs.
Sam, we're here.
And we lost Sam.
Marco.
Marco!
I wanted to take a photo, but I really didn't want to like slide down this.
Definitely don't turn around.
Yeah.
So after many steep pyramid stairs, we have made it down. Here's the view from the bottom. How was the pyramid, guys?
It was awesome.
Good. Did you guys enjoy it? It was kind of scary, but it's good. Did you like it?
The one in Guatemala are way better. You have to go on this one.
Okay, I'm gonna go to Guatemala to go see the pyramids.
The one in Guatemala, you're over the threes. It's so cool.
That's awesome. So I just like to point out that the stairs are like that, coming down.
Oh, you want the dragon thing?
So this whole time we've been hearing all these random dragon noises, and Jay here is gonna go buy something so that he can make dragon noises too.
Oh, you have to choose a color. Rouge for rouge, no?
I like this one. I like this one. Oh,
Okay,
it's
and ready?
play too.
You're being vlogged.
No, but you have to like do
Oh, I didn't know it was
the
video.
dragon.
I don't know. I'm gonna have to practice first. You come back to me when I've practiced.
Okay, we'll report back in a
How
couple
much is
hours.
20 pesos? Did we establish $1.40?
So I ordered room service for the first time in my life, and I don't understand pesos, so I just got something that I figured would be fairly cheap. So I got a Caesar salad and a soup. So enjoy my eating that.
Thank you very much. Thank you, don't worry. You live from the bed, it's okay?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you very much.
Yo, what? So I got chicken noodle soup, and this is the broth. Holy room service. What? Treat yourself. So I'm home and I haven't really vlogged since the hotel, maybe. Anyways, okay, well I'm home and I just napped for a long time because I had to operate an overnight flight, so that was fun. Yeah. So pyramids were exciting. I have another layover there next weekend, so I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do. So we'll see, I guess. Stay inspired.